So welcome sa ating membership orientation dito sa IMG or International Marketing Group. In IMG, where innovation meets inspiration. Dito sa mundong kinagalawan natin, marami tayong pwedeng maiharap na challenges. Lahat tayo ay makakaranas nito at kailangan natin itong paghandaan. Number 1 is uncertain labor market. Lahat ng trabaho na meron ka ngayon ay hindi permanent. Maaari kang papalitan because of high demands, competition, and of course, sa technology. At kapag dumarating yan, make sure na meron kang backup plan or stable pa din ang finances mo just in case na mawalan ka ng trabaho. Number 2, low savings and high debt. Halos sa mga Pilipino ngayon ay hindi binigyan ng kahalagahan ang pag-iipon. Kung hindi natin ma-educate ang mga Pilipino paano mag-ipon, tsak na malaking effect nito sa retirement nila. Maraming Pilipino na senior citizen na napilitang magtrabaho dahil hindi nila kayang masustento ang araw-araw nilang pamumuhay. Number 3, high cost of education. Napakamahal ng mga tuition fees. Alam nyo ba na nagdodoble ang tuition fees every 10 years? Para masigurado kayong maganda ang kinabukasan ng mga anak nyo, ngayon pa lang ay dapat paghandaan na ang educational fund. Number 4, increased cost of living. Ang presyo ngayon sa market ay nagmamahal dahil sa inflation. Nothing in this world is permanent except tax and inflation. Kung ngayon pa lang ay napakahirap ng mag-ipon dahil nagmamahal na lahat ng gastusin, what more kung magkaroon ng emergency crisis? Kapatid, reality speaking, despite of all the challenges na nabanggit ko kanina, hindi ka tutulungan ng employer mo, union mo, o maski ang gobyerno na maiahon ka sa kahirapan. Your future is in your hands. Here in IMG, tutulungan tayong harapin ang mga challenges na ito. Paano? Be our own money manager. We can make money, save money, accumulate money, and protect our money. Siyempre, bago natin gawin yan, intindihin muna natin how money works and how our money work for us. Dito sa IMG, we are given proper education and execution kung paano i-build ang ating strong financial foundation. Ang IMG is isang one-stop shop wherein lahat ng mga financial services, products, and education ay andito na that could help us in building and preserving our wealth. Si IMG ay isang platform that could assist Filipinos building their own financial foundation. Dito sa IMG ay may enjoy natin ang number 1, education on all aspects of personal finance. Number 2, access of hundreds of financial services and products. Number 3, training and support to manage our money. Number 4, save money on these financial services and products. And number 5, earn income by sharing the financial education. Let me share to you these concepts that will have a great impact in our financial life. So, this is how money works. The number 1 concept is the X-curve concept. Kung kayo po ay currently doing your active work, nararamdaman nyo po na ang taas ng responsibility line dahil you work hard to provide for your family's needs. Ang goal po dapat natin is to lower our responsibility line. Ibig sabihin, you don't need to work na dahil ang pera na nagtatrabaho para sa'yo. Magiging posible po ito kung ngayon during your productive years ay nag-alat po kayo ng portion of your income for your future self. Also, during our productive years, kailangan mo din protektahan ang sarili mo at yung pamilya mo. Just in case na anything happens to you, like kinuha ka man ni Lord or magkasakit ka, your family is still living in a comfortable life. You need to save 10 times of your annual income to properly protect your family. Para naman na masigurado ka na maginhawa ang buhay retirement mo, you need to save 20 times of your annual income. Ang pangalawang concept is the magic of compounding interest or the rule of 72. Dahil sa concept na to, malalaman natin kung kailan magdodoble ang pera mo. You just need to divide 72 to the annual interest. So for example, you are investing 100,000 pesos to a 4% annual interest rate. I-divide mo lang 72 divided by 4 is equals to 18. So ibig sabihin 18 years nagdodoble ang pera mo. The higher the interest rate, the shorter the period magdodoble ang pera mo. Kung mag-invest ka sa isang investment na nagbibigay ng 4% versus the 8% versus the 12%, syempre mas malaki ang rate of return ng 12%, which gives 6.4 million on his retirement compared to a 4% investment scheme that gives 400,000 pesos. Technique dito, if you want to receive high rate of return, look for an investment that gives highest interest rate. Meron ka bang idea tungkol sa savings and investment? Tulad ng mutual fund, kung paano ba talaga mag-work ang mutual fund. Alam mo ba na kung ikaw ay nagsisave ng pera mo sa bangko ay lugi ka dahil mas mababang interest rate ng mga bangko kaysa sa inflation rate at taxes. At kung wala kang alam kung ano ang tamang gawin para maipalago ang pera mo, you will really face a problem of living a long life. Kaya dito sa IMG, with understanding and proper preparation, you can build up your future retirement. Tungkol naman tayo sa insurance, alam mo ba na merong iba't ibang klase ang insurance? Merong term life, whole life, universal life, variable life, at index life? Alam mo ba na 1 in 2 men and 1 in 3 women will have the risk of developing cancer? Mga kapatid, posible po na tayo ay maaaring makakuha ng sakit na cancer. Ang tanong, ano kaya magiging buhay ng pamilya natin kung tinamaan tayo ng sakit na cancer? Alam mo ba kung paano ang proseso ng group life insurance sa workplace mo? Alam mo ba na merong die method to calculate kung magkano ang coverage na kailangan natin for our life insurance? Alam mo ba na may tax advantage ang cash value sa life insurance tulad ng tax-deferred growth, tax-free withdrawal, and tax-free death benefit? Alam mo ba na hindi lahat ng Pilipino ay insurable? Ikaw ba yung tipo na tao na bumili ng life insurance na hindi inaral ang policy? Dito sa IMG, you will learn how to properly protect your family. Tungkol naman tayo sa long-term care na what if you live too long? Alam mo ba na merong option sa long-term care na nagbibigay sa iyo ng funds as long as nabubuhay ka pa dito sa mundo? Pwede mo itong panggagamitan to hire someone like caregiver to take care of you when you grow old. Gaano ba ka-komportable ang healthcare situation mo after you age 60 years old? Depende yun sa magiging desisyon mo ngayon. Umaasa ka lang ba sa gobyerno o mga anak mo para mag-alaga sa'yo if you live too long? Dito sa IMG, you can prepare for your golden years. Alam mo ba tungkol sa high cost of education? Halos sa mga magulang ay hindi pinaghandaan ang college educational fund para sa mga anak nila. Many would prefer not to think about it all, hoping that things will somehow work out. Napaka-importanteng tindihin ang college cost, admission process, financial aid, and kung paano i-navigate ang complex college funding system. You can understand and participate in college planning programs and help save for your children's college education. Ang problema kasi, maraming Pilipino ay hindi naglaan ng panahon at pera para paghandaan ang future ng mga anak nila. Dito sa IMG, you can take charge of your children's future. Alam mo ba na without proper planning, your family and your assets may not be protected? Sino mag-aalaga for your underage children kung kinuha ka man ni Lord? How will you keep an 18-year-old from spending his or her inheritance? Sino magmamana sa bahay mo? Sino magmamana sa mga bank accounts mo? Mag-aaway-away ba mga pamilya mo dahil sa mga naiwan mong ari-arian? Kung may negosyo ka, sino sa pamilya mo ang magpapatakbo nito? Sino magdesisyon sa healthcare mo or end-of-life decisions? Meron ka bang will? Dito sa IMG, tuturuan tayo kung paano natin i-preserve ang assets natin at ipamahagi sa pamilya natin ng maayos at mabilis na proseso. In order for you to know more in detail about this one and of course ma-execute mo lahat ng mga natutunan natin dito, be a member dito sa IMG community. So ito po yung mga benefits as an IMG member. Financial education workshop, financial check-up, asset preservation services, discounts from real estate companies, discounts on various financial products and services. You can save money on car and home insurances. You can access to health products and services. You can access to life products and services, access to investment, retirement products, get accredited with various financial products and services providers, build a business in the financial industry, and opportunity to travel the world. As an IMG member, you can have a direct access to these major providers na makakatulong sa iyo in building your solid financial foundation, like healthcare, insurance, investment, real estate, general insurance, and allied financial services, with big discounts and cash rebates. How to start? Be part and join in our IMG community with just one-time fee of 5,500. And kapag nasa ibang bansa ka, it depends on country-based. Number 2 is own. You must own a Kaiser Health Builder Ultimate Savings Plan para ma-start mo na i-build ang iyong solid financial foundation. And number 3 is share. Be a campaigner and share how IMG help you. And number 4, earn. You can build a business that can pass on to your family. Take note lang po na meron po tayong renewal fee na 1,500 pesos every year para tuloy-tuloy natin magagamit ang mga benefits.